Hey, Hannah. Hey, now, Shane. Going through the update this morning for the recap call on the metrics. And so I'm just recording my screen here. We talked yesterday about the dashboard that we use. And let me move this over so you can see it. And so on this TD sales funnel target versus actual, we're going to go to this MQL chart right here. And we're just going to say, you say share link, and that brings up just that chart. And then we want to grab the totals from here, and we want to put them in this sheet. So, so this is for trials. So for February, we want to put in 12.1. So let's put 12,100, and then let's see here. Where'd that chart go? I think yeah, great. And then so to date in March, we're at 4,432. So let's plug that in, and let's see if we can get any kind of better sense of what the actual, because there's a lot of data that's kind of it's not, may not be significant, but missing the 10 and the 1 spot there, is always something I want to try to fill in. So let's see. No, there's not really a way to get into that. All right, so then we'll just leave that up for the call in case we want to share that. And then we go here. And so what I've done here is set a formula to add the quarters together. So this groups, February through April together, all through the rest of the year. And then this just looks at, okay, so with this total, what does, if we look at, this number here, how close are we to that number? And so we're about 50% of the way to that number. And then this takes the day of the quarter with how many days of the quarter there are and calculates a pace. So if we continue the current pace, how many of these trials will we create? And so, so that's the update there. And again, this number should be updating every day now. I'm going to just change this so that it is formatted as a number with the comma, just to kind of make it uniform. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and run that report again just to make sure that number is getting updated. So if for some reason you feel like the number is not getting updated, you can come in here and change that to just manually run it, although it should run between 4 or 5 a.m. Every day. All right, great. So everything's on track there. If you have any questions, let me know. I can, while we're here, just let me go over the other items that are calculated. We talked about this yesterday, but just as a reminder in case you need it. So you input the quarter start date, quarter end date here, and then this automatically calculates the total number of days in the quarter, and then this helps you calculate the number of days in the quarter to date. Uses this report day as that number. So this report day is always yesterday. Just because in Google Analytics, the best data we have is from, it cuts off at kind of that day mark. So that's why we, keep it the day before. And then this gives you, percentage of quarter to date, percentage of fiscal year to date. And then right now, inquiry goals, this is our number for quarter one. We don't have the rest of the year mapped out yet. So once you have that mapped out, you just plug these numbers in here. And then as you start to fill in the trial numbers down this column, or inquiries, then this will fill in, and then I'll add the formula here to be able to continue to take you through the rest of the year. So if you have any questions, let me know. Talk soon.